nominee, territorial nominee program sa territorial area po sa Yukon. Sa Yukon po to dito sa Canada, and the temporary measure will give new work permits up to 215 temporary workers identified and supported by the government of Yukon to continue working while they process their permanent residency. So, pag nabigyan po kayo ng work permit, so while working, you can also process your permanent residency po. Application under the Yukon Nominee Program. Eligible individuals po have to demonstrate that they meet the criteria po. May criteria po dapat sundin and expected to transition to the permanent residence in 2025 to 2026. So, the skilled worker are filling K-job vacancies in Yukon it's help actively contributing to Canada's economy and social diversity. So, yan guys. So, try to explore po sa Yukon territories po kung ano mga jobs na pwede yung applyan. And at the same time, pag hopefully, makakuha kayo ng trabaho doon, you can go to www.jobbank.gc.ca po. And then, i-filter nyo lang po ang territorial area sa Canada, choose nyo po yung Yukon, and then makikita nyo po yung mga job listing po na available for you to apply. And then, make sure po pag when you apply, you have the ability to do the job, you have the work experience, and also you have the credentials, and at the same time, meron kayong mga validity na mga documentation na kailangan. So, hindi ko po na-explore, so you can do now, or I can share you later kung saan po yung website na yon. And also, sa comments, ibibigay ko na lang po yung link ng Yukon Territorial para po ma-explore nyo po yung mismong area kasi dati kasi narinig ko siya medyo ang weather is iba po sa weather sa ibang provinces. So, pero syempre lahat naman tayo gagawin para lang po maging PR. So, yeah guys. So, hopefully maka-visit po kayo doon. Ito lang po yung aking update sa inyo. Hopefully makapag-update ako sunod. I just tried na mag-live sa sa YouTube ngayon. I can stay at siguro mga 8 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes more para po masagot ko yung mga question. Kung may question kayo, just type in the comments below po and then sasagutin ko po sa inyo kaagad. Yan, according din sa news, hindi lang ang purpose is to give the work permits in Yukon, but only to support the local market needs na mabigyan sila ng temporary residence to a clear pathway for permanent residence po. This agreement is a key to step in ongoing collaboration with provinces and territories to spread the benefits of immigration across the country. So yeah, so options remain on the table. So, yeah, labor market until they are able to apply to the Yukon Nominee Program. Hindi ko sure kung sa let me explore po sa kasi new measure to support skilled temporary workers in Manitoba. So if you guys in Manitoba, let me see if the nominee program is still on. Pag-usapan natin ha. Kasi para po at least this website na pinuntahan ko talaga ay sa IRCC, sa Canada website po talaga. Sayang